Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. What I used was the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, the Precisely My brow pencil. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony, and I used the Foolproof powder. So I already did also one eye off camera, and today I'll be using the 35G Morphe palette. So I'm gonna be going into this color, SPF, and I'll be using that as my transition shade. And I'll just be grabbing like a fluffy blending brush. And I also already primed my lids with the Becca Aqua Luminous Concealer in the shade Beige. I'll just blend that in my crease. And I'm just going back and forth, dipping in for more of that SPF color. Now I'm gonna go into this color, Tan Up, and I'll be adding that to my crease with a smaller blending brush. I'm gonna deepen the color up a little bit more and just add that to my crease. I'm gonna go back with the blending brush that I used for my transition color and blend the edges out a little bit. Sorry if you guys can hear a noise. I have a fan because the lights just make it really hot in here. So what you hear is the fan going. I'm going to grab a little bit more of that Tan Up color and just deepen the crease up a little bit more. Going back with the blending brush that I used for the transition color and blend the edges out a little bit more. I really like that eyebrow combo that I used today. I feel like it really worked. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Heat Wave, and I'm gonna add that one with a smaller blending brush. I'm gonna add it in my inner corner, outer corner, and then I'm gonna drag it to connect it around the crease. And I like to take it in like slowly, like gradually, just adding more. I don't like to grab a lot of it at once. Also drag it a little bit up, kind of blend everything together. I'm gonna grab the same blending brush and blend everything together. I'll go back in with a little bit more of Heat Wave. So now I'm gonna cut the middle crease. I'll be using this brush here, and I'll be cutting it with the Becca Aqua Luminous Concealer. I'll be starting here. I want to do it like in the middle, just to cut the crease in the middle. Now I'm gonna go in with my fingers and with this brush for the edges, and I'm gonna be going in with So Golden, this shade right here, this one. So first I'm gonna pack it on with my fingers. I feel like these colors are more pigmented when you pack them on with your finger. So now we're gonna go back with Heat Wave, and I'll be grabbing the same brush that I used and blending these two colors in. So I think that's as close as I can get to both eyes. And now I'm gonna do my foundation. I'm gonna go in with MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC42. And I'm gonna use the Vitamin Enriched face base to moisturize. And I like to use my Morphe brush to apply that vitamin face base. Ever since I saw Jeffree Star do it, because I don't like putting my fingers in there. I'm also gonna use the Milk Hydro Grip primer. I really like this primer. It's bomb. I usually just use like 2 pumps and then I just spread it. I love how tacky it is. Your foundation will just like stick to it. And I hope this foundation fits, because I went with my son to the swimming pool. It was like burning. The sun was burning, and me and my son got really tanned. We were probably just there for like 2 hours, but we got like really, really tan. I'm the kind of person that gets tan like really, really quick. So hopefully, this is the darkest shade I have, so hopefully this fits. Oh, I'm also gonna take some of the Tarte Clean Slate primer, and I'll be using that on the places where I have texture. It's like my cheek area, the place where I have like more texture, and like my nose. So this could help like blur. I also have a lot of pores. So now I'm gonna go in with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Hopefully this shade works. I remember when I started like getting into makeup, I wanted everything from MAC. It was when YouTube was first like coming out, and it's been around for years, but it was like when YouTube was like the new thing. Yeah, so it seems like this is gonna work out, this shade. Like, I haven't used like this MAC in a while, the MAC foundation. I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's like really emphasizing my texture. Yeah, you see around here, it's like really emphasizing my texture, and I feel like it's getting stuck to like the dry patches. Not feeling it that much anymore. Well, now I'm gonna go in with the Becca Aqua Luminous in beige, the same one I used to cut my crease. So now I'm gonna go in with the Chanel Universal Powder in 30 translucent. So now I'm gonna set my face with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit, and I'm going to use, sorry guys, these two shades right here. So now we're gonna do our under eye. So I'm gonna go on with Tan Up, and I'm gonna be using this Lexi brush. I'm gonna use this one to blend the eyeshadow on my lower lash line, in with a small pencil brush, and I'll be going in with Heat Wave, this one right here, Heat Wave. And I'll be adding that like really close to my lash line. So I'm not going to be lining my upper lash line. That's first. I'll just be adding the falsies in there. So I'm going to be going in with the Rimmel Scandal Eyes Waterproof beige, this nude eye pencil. I'm gonna line my lower lash line with this one. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I'll be using the same Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked, and I'll be using this bronzer and these two blushes. So now I'm gonna add some highlighter, and I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amorosi highlighter. So now I'm gonna set my face. I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus, and then I'm gonna also add some falsies, and I'm going to be adding the Lily Lashes. I'll be going in with the MAC Cork lip liner. So now I'll be going in with the Too Faced Sunday Fun. On top of that, I'll be adding the Dose of Colors over the top. I think this one is the Desi and Katie collection. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So I'll be using this one over the top. Now we're gonna go in with these eyelashes. So now I'm gonna add some bottom lash mascara. I'll be going in with the Telescopic Carbon Black. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you guys have any other ideas or any other makeup looks you guys want me to do, please don't forget to leave it down in the comment section. There'll be another video on Friday. I'm trying to do every Monday and every Friday. If I can do more, I will. And I hope to see you guys soon.